Hey there, Poppet. So you want to learn about crypto, eh? Well, it's about time. What were you doing all this time? Watching Arsenal throw away another title? What the heck is crypto? All right, let's break this down. Nice and simple. Cryptocurrency. You've heard the word. You've nodded along. You've pretended to understand it. But deep down, you still think a blockchain is something defenders use to stop a counterattack. Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's clear this up, football fan style. So crypto is basically money, but digital. Like the cash you'd have if you hadn't spent it all on new boots, 3 Fantasy League entries, and that one dodgy accumulator that definitely looked good at the time. But unlike regular money, which is printed by governments and occasionally eaten by the washing machine, crypto is powered by blockchain technology. What's a blockchain? Imagine a referee that writes down every single thing that happens in a match. Passes, goals, dives, yellow cards, even that dodgy haircut your striker's rocking. Now imagine that ref never makes a mistake. Cat can't be bribed. And every fan in the stadium sees the notes in real time. That's blockchain. Each block equals a page in the match report. Each chain equals the full season record. No cheating, no tampering, not even VAR can mess it up. Miraculous, right? Now, people mine crypto, but no, they're not underground with pickaxes. They're solving complicated computer puzzles to validate those match reports. And in return, they get rewarded with digital coins. Think of it like a loyalty card for nerds. And what can you do with crypto? Well, you can buy stuff, trade it, send it to mates, or just hodl it. That's crypto slang for hold on for dear life. Kind of like being 1-0 up in the 90th minute with 6 minutes of added time. You pray, you clench, you believe. So crypto equals digital money. Blockchain equals super honest reference. Mining equals maths with benefits. And you're now officially smarter than 90% of that WhatsApp group chat. You're welcome.